Naka naka, yo KP. Yeah. Chuck on the matic, Versace jacket, brush off the Balenciaga. Me happy like when I'm a dead scissors. I'm me the parang with a Trinidadian. The Crenshaw from Nixon and normal. The big spark conflict, me turn all girl in a.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Bala.
You know, it's a boy Henry back with another video. Anyway, as would I say, another day, another dollar. We out here, we are do it. So, right now we are saying, prep time, don't prep chicken, prep steam veg, tomorrow. You get what you could call out one thing.
Take the figure. Bamboo cool got a better figure. No pay my own bills like Tisha Miller. Me I teach them skyline. Me go check a DJ boy life suffers from the gatela nigga. Stay in ya. Got them gal under pressure while them a pressure the pot. Come like a chef.
Yeah, so this is like a major part of work at the time. A major part of every chef work. Prep. So alright, so when I prep, like I pre-prep the day before. When I come to work the next morning, the work like that. So I prep my steam veg, I prep my callaloo, my cabbage, carrot. I just cut up my season same time. So I come the next day, I just start another pot. So as I said, the work I go easier, lighter. Pre-prep the day before. And the chef can't tell that. So that's a part of it. So anyway, people, me always find say everywhere I go, I see same thing. Alright, say you go school for spend up much in money at school. Everybody got treat still. Everybody will do the culinary program got treat. And then when you go in an interview, it's like when you tell people when you go in at the interview, for instance, you go in at the interview and you put it up on the table, it's like the interview them a look at your way and them don't know how much money you spend at school, you know. So it's like I don't know if anybody else in Jamaica experience it, but me experience it more than one time. I'm going to an interview and put my half up on the table. It's like them a look at me like wow, and them don't know how much money you spend when you go to school, what your value work. So it's like in Jamaica right now, not everywhere, but when me experience so far, it's like them don't pay people off of them qualification. It's like them pay people off of them age. I can remember me going to an interview, and when me in the interview and put my half up on the table, she said she can't pay somebody my age that amount of money. I'm like, really? So from then me did it and I check it and I say, oh, it's not so enough I chef them out here. Only now I get paid for the experience, now I get paid for the age. Problem I say because I'm young. So maybe more next time I'm going to an interview. And like me at the interview, I'm going to the interview still. Interview we start and thing. Then the lady asked me age, when I tell her, she asked me if I'm sure. Because she look for see one big man to my resume look. She said she not expect to see a young boy. So the amount of pace in my work and qualification. So it's like that. So wanna tell me if you have a similar experience. Not most in Jamaica, but anywhere in the world. It's like you go school and you spend up car. Me know me spend up a whole heap of money. I don't know about you. And when you go in an interview, so that was always a problem. Me always want to know why. So if you know go through a similar experience, you know, just make me know. As we have said, a prep time, I want you a time I know late so The pan Russia now. Yeah man, we are say a Russia now. Prep time. We are try prep fast now. So as well see, we are prep up with cabbage and yeah, cause I'm gonna do my steam veg, I like using local cabbage in there to bring up the color, the carrot and thing. So people in a life of a Jamaican chef, it not might easy as you know think. You have to go through a whole heap of data. You go through a lot of data. Yeah. Everybody in it get treated fairly. You have to in the work for years to get treated fairly. And every time I start back start a new job, it's like you start all over. Because alright, everywhere you work, people cook different. So you can use whether cook before and come at the new place can cook the same way. You have to when you go to the workplace, you have to do the observe and cook for them. That I find out everywhere cook different. So I might the same ingredients but something change up. So you can go with your cooking and say, alright, I know say some I want to cook this and this and that. As a chef you have to know everywhere you go. It's like you start all over back again. Body look about them sauce different. Everybody have them standard sauce. You can go who started the work before, come back and do that sauce because them not do for them sauce that way. So, these are the things I observe over the years, places where I work, and from my work, I always seem to be the youngest man in everywhere I work. I always be the youngest person there. Yeah. People are always, how would I put it? Feel fearful because say the last place I worked before, I was like a team leader, and because of my age, enough people not listen to me and think. So as me I say the age thing again. So as me I say, I don't know if nobody in Jamaica experience a similar thing, but I just speak of my experience working so far as a chef. I don't know if when my age go up, it'll go easier, because as me I tell you, people get treated off of them age. So it's not come like it's not the work we can do. And then them are go need to see what you can do. So you go with your qualification anyway, you just start work. Them now go say, alright, you know say Henry well qualified and him work this and that. No. Them a start your back from ground. So you have to fight for come up back. Everywhere you go, you have to fight for come up back to the top. Because them a put you right back down and ground to start back again. So you start back fresh everywhere you work. So you have to bear that in mind. Anybody will plan for start the chef, so you're not the chef work, you have to bear that in mind. So I just saw the work. So as we done said before, prep time is a major time. Major part of a chef daily work. If you're not pre-prep the day before, when you come work the next day, you're going in a whole heap of problem. You're going late. Because when you come in, you're going to try to start to rush all of them things there. So, you have it for the chef always pre-prep the day before. So, that's a key point of work, pre-prep. So, I just that way depend. So, as I say, we depend with character now. But with Julie and the carrot, fine, because as I say, I appeal, so we have to do the Julie and the carrot fine. So when you steam it, you get that nice you get the green, the white cabbage, and the carrot. So the color, yeah. I would just cut up all our seeds at the same time. So as I say, just link we and make we know if we no go through a similar experience. As would I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here, we are do it. Subscribe if you want to know more about the chef world. Where chef go through a day. Until the next video. Yeah man, we out here. We are do it. See the subscribe button over there, so I'm gonna click the subscribe button. Cool. Yeah man. Yeah man, look out for the next video.
Tomorrow. Race against time. Almost time for that we are. So coming tomorrow, everything we just throw in a pot. Understand? And I prep up again. Season pot. Coming back a man is going to take less than 10 minutes. Can complete with the job.
Yo, fire win. They up on the Cumberland side. Portmore. Dog them. People stay true to wealth. Pretty cars, enough money, Gucci belt. Watch her who she fell. Lose everything and see if she don't move to them. Move go with a dead a rich boss with a big yard and a couple coupe in there. Tell her about she not the second place still. Yeah. You live and you learn. Everybody with you when you reach and earn. We just a live and a learn. Lose everything on the bridges I go burn. Burn, we just a live and a learn. Them are the young and the riches of the world. The riches of the world. We just a live and a learn. Just a live and a learn. We just a live and a. You live and you learn. Them a wonder the jigger so firm. A man thing and a yearn.